Hey guys, alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to either just change the bulbs or also change the entire housing of the exterior part of your taillights there. Pretty simple. All you're going to need is a simple ratchet set, and you'll be using your 10mm. Alrighty, first things first, we're just going to go ahead and open up our trunk here, get things started. So in here, on either side, you're gonna have a panel like this, and on the other side, a panel here as well. Alrighty, so we're just gonna remove this felt panel thing here, pull it out of the way, and then right away we can see right in there we've got, this is our turn signal bulb right there, and then that is your like daytime running light and red light. So basically how to change those bulbs is, I'll just show you with this turn signal one. We're just gonna grab here and you literally just twist it and pull out. Super simple. And then you just pull on that bulb, and then this one's still good, so I'm gonna leave it in. But yeah, it's really as simple as pull it out and put a new one in. So yeah, when you're going to put your new one in, you're just gonna plug that in there, and you're going to kind of put it back in place, find the right spot, and it's the same, and you're just going to twist it back in place, just like that. And it'll be the same for your outer one. Mine right now is an LED, so it's a little bit different, but it's the same thing for your outer one. Alrighty, so now if you want to replace your whole outer taillight housing and everything, all you're gonna need to do is there's these 3 nuts here, and you just have to remove them, and basically your whole outer tail light will slide right out. I've got my 10mm with an extender on here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and break those loose. Alrighty, and now I'm just going to spin them off with my hand. Be super careful when you're doing this though, that you don't drop the nuts, because you'll never find them again if you do. Alrighty, now coming on the outside here, now that you have those nuts off, you're just going to grab the whole light housing, and you're just going to kind of slide it backwards and pull out. And as you can see, there's just like one little tab there, and it hooks into the side of the light here, so make sure you pull back when you're doing it. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And just like that, we have the whole light removed here. There's also this is kind of like a little sealer gasket thing. So make sure if yours is like quite damaged or anything, you get that replaced so you don't get any water getting in there. Alrighty, so putting it back in is just as simple. Alrighty, so it's the exact same process to get it back in. You've got your nuts here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hand tighten them back on. And take your ratchet. Alrighty, and now you're just gonna put this back in the way it's supposed to go. Pop it back in. Alright, and you're good to go. Alrighty, and for this side, similar, this panel, you just gotta remove on this side. And as you can see, it's the exact same process, except we have a jack that's in here. So you're gonna have to spin this off, just like that, and this piece comes out, and then you're able to take your jack out. This is just in case you get a flat tire or whatever. So take that out so you can access all of the housing in here. And to take into the bulb, again, twist and pull out, and then you can remove your bulb and then put in a new one, and then just goes back into place like that. And then yeah, it's the exact same process. You have your 3 nuts there that you'll remove, and then you slide the whole tail head out backwards. Yeah, so I'll show you how to put this jack back in. It is going to go like this. There's a little notch right there that kind of holds it in place, and then while you're holding that, it screws in. Alrighty, and it is as simple as that. And you're just gonna put your cover back. And then lock it back in, and you're good to go. Alrighty guys, so that's it for changing the outer taillight or just the bulbs on your Mazda 3 hatch 2014 and 2018. So yeah, my car actually came with non-LED taillights, and then I found a crazy deal on Marketplace that I couldn't pass up, so I purchased the outer LED taillights, and you can also change this inner portion here to the GT, and it just has like a little light bar there. But if you do that, you kind of have to do some splicing, and I didn't really want to mess with that. So I'll show you what the LED GT taillights look like. Alrighty, and that is it for today. Comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more content, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.